Hello! Right now, there's a common problem with this folder. Every time I pull it out, this moves a lot. It turns around, moves a lot. And every time I want to close it, it misses. Which means these get ripped. And it's really hard to move papers, and they always get stuck. Well, that was a good example, actually. Especially when it's been rattling around in the bag, they usually get stuck like this. Which is very inconvenient. And it's really hard to put back. There you go, it doesn't work. It's missing its point. And so you have to keep positioning it. Try again each time. Eventually it pops into place. So I looked online and the only alternative was to find another one. I did try to bend it forward and that sort of thing, but it moves so much, and when it's in your bag it rattles around a lot. But I thought a better, more permanent solution would be to solder it. So I'm going to try and solder it. There we go. So right here at the bottom, this is where it moves. The other one is all nice and sturdy. This one moves around a lot. So I'm going to try and solder right here. I'm going to fix it in place. And solder it. Hopefully it'll stay in place. Okay, so here's the point where I'm going to be soldering. So we're going to leave that to cool for a bit. Hopefully it works. It's such a big blob, it's taking a while to cool down. Let's poke it. Okay, it's quite hard actually. Not moving around anymore. Still quite hot, so I'll leave it for a bit. Cool down. Oh, so this is quite hot as well. Heat does conduct. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Can we move it? We can't move it, we can't twist turn it. And it's just as rigid as the first time. Huge improvement. So what if we test it out and we move papers over? There we go. And what if we close it? If we move this huge amount of paper. And we close it. We open it and close it. There we go, it works.